How to record your computer screen in Capcut. The first thing you need to do is to locate the record screen button at this point here. Click on it. The next thing is to select the area you want to record. Right now, if you want to record the full screen of your computer, you can just leave it like this. But if you want to record a particular section, then you use your mouse to crop it to that particular section you want to record. Next, when I'm okay with the size I want to record, then I can also make sure that my video is be selected. I am using OBS visual camera, and you can also select your microphone here as well. I'm using this microphone here, KC6. When you have done all the necessary steps, then click here that says start recording. Follow the countdown. Right now you can see the option to pause and the option to stop the recording. So imagine I'm through recording my video. What I will do is to click here that says stop recording. Then a pop-up window will show here. This window allows you to edit your screen recorded video immediately. If you look around, you see two sliders here. This first one allows you to trim the video to the side, while this other option allows you to trim the video to this other side, depending on what you want. But if you don't want that, you can click this place that says edit. You can click this option that says edit more. This will take you to Capcut main editing timeline to continue to edit the video. But if you are okay with just this screen recording, you have the option to download it. Can you see it? So you can see that the screen recorded video has taken me directly to Capcut. So with here, I can edit the screen recorded video normally the same way I edit other video. I can add text, transition, filters, and any effects I want. So when you are happy editing your video, you come to this option right here that says export. Then you export your video, and that is all. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe.